Uma uthi uthi emhlabeni siphilela imali before imali ibe khona shuthi kwakuphilela ilutho kunento thina sibantu abamnyama ukuthi kumele uhambe kanje yabo once wangahamba kanje waphuma kanje usu wrong yabo kukhona abantu obalimazayo vuyo ngoba ulimele wena without even knowing ukuthi ulimele yabo
igama ukhohlwa mfazi wazoyidelela indoda maduba ishiye mkhonto kwaza amazulu and thus is chilling with the Zulu man.
Sikhula mfethu ngendlela yokuthi siyafundiswa indlela yokucabanga, siyafundiswa indlela yokubuka umhlaba yabo. Bese sitshela ukuthi iyona ndlela leyo sifunde ukulalela ngaphandle kakhulu kunokulalela ngaphakathi. Yabo. And umhlaba uyasireward for lokho, yabo. Makuwukuthi uvuka njalo ekseni uye esikoleni ufike wenza into eshiwoyo. And ngenhlanhla yakho uthola ukuthi umqondo wakho uphiwe ukuthi ukwazi ukuzenza lezo zinto lezo. Obvious uzothola uthando oluningi and uzothola iattention eningi ngoba wenza yonke lento le wonke umuntu atshela ukuthi kumele ayenze yabo. So awukwazi ukuhlukanisa until ukhule ngokomqondo, awukwazi ukuhlukanisa between ukwenzela wena nokwenzela abantu because iwena usungakulazi vele. Thatha isibindi ukwazi wena yabo. And then masukhula sokwazi ukuhlukanisa uyabo no lento ebengiyenza sonke lesikhathi as much as iyinhle incomeka kubantu bengingayenzi kusuka enhlizweni ngoba kwanhliziyo yami ibisaphethwe yabo inhliziyo yami ibi desperate for iapproval ukuthandwa ukuvunyelwa ukunconywa zonke lezi zinto lezi ezi right kodwa engathi ungathi uzithole so uzitholile wena yabo qala uzithole wena and then uthole lezo zinto lezo ifoundation kuba wena yabo. So into eyenzekile ngikhule yabo ngikhule ngivalelwa yabo. So uma uvalelwa uyingane kusuke kunomzali o abazali abafuna ukubenefita likhulu from indlela okwazi ukucabanga ngayo nendlela okwazi ukwenza ngayo yabo. And then lawo ma benefits lawo asuke ezosetshenziswa ukuze bona more than wena baqame ngaphandle yabo.
Fruitful to them.
Yabo. So lonto leyo bifike yenzeke ekhaya mase ngesikoleni ifike yenzeke esikoleni yabo. Othisha makuthi uthole 80% uthisha uzofuna ukugqama ngawe yabo.
Uthi asifundo sami
yabo ukuthi ubone phase kanje ingoba mina ngifundise kahle yabo. And then mugqama kanjalo kuthisha ahlangane nomzali wakhe afika amtshela into efanayo nomzali wakhe uzothi uhlaniphe kanje ngoba ufuze mina yabo. So wonke umuntu uyakuncuzula athatha umina wakhe kuwena mina and nawe emqondweni incazelo yokuthi wena ubani uyithatha from ukutshelwa ilabantu laba bo and bonke bakadvise ngendlela efanayo only to find ukuthi wonke umuntu ophila kanjalo emphakathini ends up feeling lonely even though bengekho alone yabo. Uthola ukuthi unayo yonke le approval unayo yonke lo thando yabo kodwa awuzizwa awunawo le center of being yabo awubalansile and lokho ngingabalance lokho ngikuthole sengise UJ sengi-exposed eincwadini eziningi ezingasahambiselani nento engiyifunda esikoleni esezinginikeza umqondo ophendula yonke into engangizibuze yona ukuthi why mangithola le handshake ngithola le hug ngithola yonke lento le ngingayizwa ingagcwala enhlizweni yami yabo kwenziwa yini lokho ingobani ngiphilela abantu more than ngiphilela mina. So ushintsho lenzekile manje was me trying to learn how to be myself more than just chaza abantu and abantu abaningi abayithandi lonto leyo but ngikwi-process and iyangisebenzela yabo. So angeke ngithi I wanted to become a lawyer ngenxa ukuthi bengifuna ukuthi ngisave umhlaba nginendaba nama divorce abantu I don't care yabo.
Literally
I don't care yabo. Akunandaba mfethu nginendaba nenkinga zangempela emhlabeni yabo zokuthi abantu abaningi baboshiwe emakhanda abo and ngizizwe ngathi kuba umncedisi ukuncedisa bona ukuthi babe free lezo zinto lezo because luckily for me I was obsessed with reading and it exposed me to indlela eziningi la engakwazi ukusiza khona abantu kanjalo. kunento thina sibantu abamnyama ukuthi kumele uhambe kanje, yabo.
Yeah.
Once wangahamba kanje waphuma kanje usu wrong, yabo. And lonto leyo iyona elimaza abantu. People commit suicide ngenxa lonto leyo, yabo. Abantu I've been there, yabo. You become a drug addict ngenxa yokuthi you are trying to force yourself ukuthi uhambe ngale ndlela le eshiwo, yabo. Abantu bacwele ma drugs, utshwala, abantu bajola mindlessly, babanengane mindlessly, yabo. Trying to cope trying to cope ne stress, yabo. Yabo uzama ukuzifitha in but imvelo yakhe ikuhlwanyele wahluka, yabo. And kumele usebenzele kokuhluka kwakho ukuthi uphile and ujabule uthole ipurpose yakhe empilweni, yabo. So I've been called crazy, yabo, kuthiwa umncedisi wahamba ufunda into enkulu. Lento ezaba bayifunda ezinkulu buka manje uyahlanya hleze fundana ezincwadi impilo yakhe ayindawo, yabo. Yonke lento leyo I've been called crazy, uyahlanya, yabo, ngenxa yesibongo sami esihlukile kuthiwe, yabo, nolaka lwabaphansi khona imisebenzi angenziwe la ngayona, yabo, abantu bathi uthakathiwe.
Yeah.
Zonke lezinto lezi ezishiwo abantu abanga understand ukuthi kubaluleke kangakanani ukuzilalela wena. Because yabo ngasikuthiwa wonke umuntu uvuka uyazilalela yena, yabo, hayi ukuzilalela wena ngaphakathi, yabo. Masumbatha ntambama sesolala socabanga, yabo, ngasulalele lelo voice leyo and wenze lonto leyo eshiwo umqondo wakho ngaleso sikhathi, uzozibona ukuthi uSamson and amandla akhe asenweleni ungawaphiki.
How does it feel when you hear all those things about yourself?
Kubhlungu. Hayi ngekuqambela amanga, kubhlungu uvuya ukuhlubukwa ibona bonke abantu wake wa structureisha impilo yakho around bona, yabo. Kubhlungu ukwazi ukuthi alikaze libe khona uthando lwami ngempela, kwakuuthando lwe-fake mina, yabo. Ukuthi bekufanele ngiziqambela amanga mina ukuze ngamukeleke ngibe nendawo, yabo. Kubhlungu kwenzeka kanjalo and kungilide ezintweni eziningi mfethu trying to understand indlela yami, yabo. Like I had to give up ifoni yami for a little over 3 years. Ngingena ifoni ngayisebenzisi. I had to cut off everyone engake, like ifamily ngayikhatha off wonke umuntu, yabo. Abantu abaningi abakholwa mangisho but ngathenga umhlaba ngahamba ngayohlala ngedwa ehlathini, yabo. I ended up ngakhu one room wami, ngikhe isihlabathi emfuleni, ngakhe idini, ngahlala ngedwa, kwangathi ngiyahlanya kwangempela, yabo. Kanti bengingahlanye all along, bengizama ukunderstand ukuthi yini le ngami ekufanele ngiyithole, ngiunderstand and ngiyamkele, yabo. Because umndeni will consume you njengokudla, bakugwinye baqede ngawe makuwukuthi ulalela bona and uncenga ukuthi uvunyelwe yibona ukuthi enzani, yabo. Ziningi inqumo ozithatha uzise ezintweni ozazi kahle ukuthi ngeze kuphathe kahle. I could have been a lawyer nje bathi ngisho, ngibe miserable, ngisebenze day in and day out for abantu engizothi makuwukuthi ngiyakhalaza kubona bangangizweli on a deep level, yabo. Because phela asibe umndeni ngoba kukuhle, yabo. Umndeni noma kungumbi, yabo. So makuwukuthi ngishintsha umqondo ngenza into oyibonayo ukuthi ine potential yokuya phambili but because you are impatient, yabo, ufuna wena manje, yabo, bese kuba ukuthi indlela ongiphatha ngayo nozizwa ngayo ngami iyashintsha. Ibivele izoshintsha, beyivele maintainwe ukuthi bekukhona okumincele kumina. And lonto le into engenze ngakwazi ukuyibona, it's because I have a long history of abantu bengiuser from primary, yabo. Uthola ukuthi when uyakwazi ukwenza le activity, so sondela la etafuleni lakho usenze le activity, moke wayiqeda sayisubmit sayipass, so uyinja wena, yes, yabo. So ngiyayazi lento le, ngiyazi ukuthi yabo umuntombazana asondele kuwena ngoba ethanda indlela obukeka ngayo, yabo. Meke wachoma kubangani bakhe waqhama ukuthi yena ukwazi ukuthi asondele kuwena umnikeze iattention, emva kwaloko sekuphelile, yabo. So ngiyakwazi ukusense energy yokusebenziseka and lokho kungisizile ukuthi ngiqaphele empilweni.
When do you start to realize all that? Because I remember when you bought that land, I'd say family was still I don't want to say I was still on your side. That's the way I was seeing it. I don't know how you were feeling on that, but during that time, I think it was, yeah, you hadn't cut anybody off.
Yeah.
Yeah. When do you start to realize that? And because my question basically is the process, the first step to the process,
Yeah.
to now.
Ngicabanga ukuthi kwaqala yabo wonke umuntu uyakwazi ukukusupporta. Yabo mangikhuluma ngesupport because I never expected anything financial yabo. Mangikhuluma ngesupport ngikhuluma ngokuthi like mo ukuthi awuna into right ongayisho at least ithule yabo. Yeah, kungabe ukuthi uyangabaza and kusobala ukuthi uyangabaza and uyangiqhathanisa and uyabonakala ukuthi awukho patient and unomsindo ongifaka wona ekhanda lami trying to kill lento le ngizama ukuyipursue mina for your sake yabo, for your selfish interests.
Yeah.
Iqala lento le mfethu. Well, ama signs asuke khona from ekuqaleni but kusekuyima signs ongawaziba yabo. Iqala lento mase kuukuthi
isikhathi the red flags are always there.
Yeah, but the red flags are always there ngavela futhi yabo. Konke ama relationships okafana yabo.
Yeah.
So iqala lento le mase kuhamba isikhathi kubonakala ukuthi usibani wawufunda naye usenokuthi wena kulento yakho oyenza lento yakho yabo ulimi lo ubhlungu lento yakhe yabo.
Lento zen. Yeah, I know that.
So kuqala mase kubonakala ukuthi usibani kodwa ufunda naye unokuthi wena unakho yabo. Usibani unokuthi wena unakho and uyazizwa inkulumo ezizama ukuthi zikufundise ukuthi ubone ukuthi lento yakho ayisebenzi yabo. So as lonto leyo yenzeka gradually bengilibele nami ngibamba ukuthi because ngumuntu mina mfethu okwazi ukuyisenza into ngasikhathi yenzeka ngiyakwazi ukuzwa ukhuluma ukuthi ucabangeni before usho lento le and uyisho safe kanje kodwa ingale la lokuba safe kwalamagama akho li deep ukube kuyangawo ukuba ukwazi ukungipressa kanje ngabe usungiphressile manje wangishintsha umqondo yabo. So ezingibamba lonto leyo ushintsho lwenzekayo yabo ngazizwa ngidraineka ngaphakathi mfethu and that's when and kuyimahloni ukusho lokho but I started using insangu yabo. Kuyimahloni lokho ukusho and nginaso manje isibindi sokusho because I now own the truth and like ngi free from yonke lonto leyo and I'm coming back to self yabo. Ngaleso sikhathi bengizama ukudila nepressure ukuthi mfethu ngiyazizwa ukuthi ngiyahlubuka kulabantu labo yabo. Kufanele ngikhethe between amaphupho ami nabantu engibathandayo yabo. And ngiyabona ukuthi kumele ngikhethe amaphupho ami because mawukuthi abantu obathandayo bafuna ukuthi ushintshe between ukhethe between amaphupho akho nabo then awunabo labo bantu yabo. The only thing you have amaphupho akho, so I chose amaphupho ami. Kuqala mfethu ngokuthi mangithenga umhlaba kuba ukuthi awona umhlaba ofertile ngokwanele yabo. I had to work on it ngesikhathi namandla and it broke me apart mfethu. Ngisebenze elangeni yabo, iminyaka iyahamba isikhathi siyahamba and ayikho into eqhamukayo trying to experience with different crops yabo. Ngibona ukuthi yini engisebenzelayo, yini engakwazi ukwenza imali ngayo and only this year ufakazi, only this year la ngikwazi khona ukuharvesta a huge harvest yamabhathanathi adliwe ekoleni, adliwe emasontweni, adliwe emphakathini and finally ngakwazi uku-afforda i-material engiyidingayo to put me yabo on a scale la ngakwazi ukuproduce khona yabo consecutively yabo. Kuthatha isikhathi and ngalesikhathi ufeyila kuphela labo 4 months 3 months 2 months unyaka uyaphela wenze imali ugqokela into awuyigqoke last year. Angeke ube blame mfethu abantu abakukhathalele yabo. They break nabo under pressure yabo but asigive up kulabantu thina yabo but bona bakwazi ukugive up kuthina because bas own and yabo. So kancane esihambile isikhathi ngabona no yazini I have to choose between umndeni yabo, umphakathi, wonke umuntu owake wangicherisha in a way yabo. Ngizikhethe mina ngikwazi ukucabanga ngokwami and kungisizile lokho kwangikhulisa kwangivezela yonke enye into And then sengimasterishile emqondweni, I then settled down, ngarealize ukuthi yazini all these people are victims, yabo, because ekugcineni kosuku they want to have this courage enginayo to go your own path, wenza into ehambiselana nomoya wakho, yabo. So ngazama ukunderstand through reading a lot of books ukuthi kwenziwa yini abantu bacabange kanje, ba react kanje, yabo. Ngabona no yazini bayimabhube esasezulu, yabo. Bhube selisezulu licebile lihle, inwele zalo ziyashayina konke kuhamba kahle, but alinayo le yanto le ukuthi ngibhubisi, yabo.
Yeah.
But endle noma lingabambanga lizace livele imbambo still kodwa ibhubisi ngeke ulisuke, ngeke ushuthe nalo, yabo.
Yeah.
So mina manje ngibhubese li ferocious ngokwanele ukuthi ngeke ushuthe nami, yabo, kuze uyazi ukuthi ngi in tune with imvelo yami, uzongihlonipha noma kanjani, umdala umncane ungangishaya mokwazi, yabo. So kumnandi mfethu kuba free, but it comes with a cost, yabo. Kubhlungu mfana until uzamkele ngaphakathi understand ukuthi okay na into engifuna. So yona ndlela ebengikuyona leyo, and I had to disappear and hide from everyone because bebezongiqophosa abantu umoya wami, ubona iwind malivalwe ngesalo tape, bese uliqophosa kanje libe lingena umoya, inhliziyo bayenze njalo abantu until ibe strong ngokwanele. Kukhona abantu balimazayo vuyo ngoba ulimele wena without even knowing ukuthi ulimele, yabo. Yabo, uthola ukuthi kunama arguments owenzayo, u-arguisha nalosisi wabantu, and all this time u-arguisha naye kanje because uthinta amabhathini ahleze ethintwa uma wakho, but awukwazi ube ne-courage yokukhuluma kanje noma wakho, yabo. You judge lo muntu lo, you put them on a pedestal, yabo. Khona like mokuthi intombazane inenkinga nobaba wayo ayimhloniphi or iyamzonda in a way mhlambe bengekho present or abusive, izo yonke leyo energy le izoyiprojecta kuwena, yabo. Kanjalo nawe uma umfana ukuthi unenkinga noma wakho, izinto ongakwazi ukuzi-expressa kuyena uzoziprojecta kuyena, yabo. So you become this guy or overly sensitive or needy or ongayi-understand i-role yakhe as umuntu wesilisa, yabo, or detached from masculinity, yabo. Even i-mindset yakho awunayo leya courage, yabona leya strength ne-force and mindset nje yokuba umuntu wesilisa ngokuphelele, because uthi uCarl Jung encwadini yakhe devouring mother archetype, devouring mother and a tyrannical father, yabo. So ukuthi uma wakho is devouring okusho ukuthi uyakudla, uyakuphanga, yabo. Yabo, ufuna ubingxenye yakho ubuyena ngaye, yabo, ubuwena ngaye noma abuwena ngawo, yabo, into kanjalo anoma ichaza kahle yini. And then kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi unobaba o tyrannical oyisiqhwaga, yabo. So ubayilo muntu sokuthi mhlambe umuntu wesifazane uyamshaya, yabo, but mase uwedwa uyazibuza kodwa ngenzelani lento le, only to find ukuthi your inner child.
Apologies brother, but
yeah, ngiyabona kulungile.
Hey Surat. Hi, I'm recording an episode here. Please call you back when I'm done. All right. I'm gonna keep that for the camera.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, so uthola ukuthi wena mfethu umuntu ongayena vuyo, yabo, because you have not dealt with your inner child, yabo. Awukaze ubheke emumva ubone zonke izinto ezingenzekanga, right? And abantu abaningi bayathanda ukuthi mokhuluma kanje bathi uyacomplaina, ublame abanye abantu, you are just as much a narcissist as those people sounding ngathi uyabablame. But ziningi inkinga mfethu, yaboza umuntu ethi hey thina abantu abamnyama, inkinga eziningi mfethu zisuke ekutheni sikhuliswa kanjani, yabo. Isihlahla mawukuthi usitshekisa sikhula, mase siqinile sitsheke kanjalo kunzima ukusiqondisa, yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You mentioned that because the mindset not the mindset, but in today's world, if we look at social media, most of the behavior that you're saying about guys happens because they were raised by single mothers, all right?
Yeah, usually.
In your case, it's not.
Yeah.
Right? There was a male figure. how am I gonna put this? Yeah, how is it that you still? What do you think it's failed? Yeah.
Okokuqala makuwukuthi akuyena ubaba wakho biological akabi nepower efanayo nobaba wakho okuzalayo yabo kukhona ukuziluma ulimi okumphoqayo ukuthi agcine kwenza yabo on top of that kuba ukuthi noma ngabe unenhloso right yabo but akakuzali so at the end of the day uthola ukuthi i-relationship is still one-sided and besides kwi-society mfethu njengamanje abantu besifazane have a stronger voice than abantu besilisa emndenini yabo because even umthetho one of the things ezangenza ngayixwayi lo umthetho mfethu noma ngekushiwo like kube black and white but umthetho usided abantu besifazane yabo so umuntu esifazane uthola ukuthi unepower kakhulu uthola ukuthi izinqumo eziningi zenziwa so umuntu uma wakho makuukuthi uthi ubaba wakho kumele ahambiselane nalonto leyo for the peace of ikhaya yabo i-effect leyo nawe uma nonkosikazi you'll realize that yabo ukuthi siphethwe yabo i-system i-much more complex than indlela ongayicabanga ngeke uzitshele wena ukuthi mina ngoba ngithi kanje kuzoba kanje akwenze kanjalo yabo kune-influence deeper than lokho so my stepfather was there but he never had the courage to stand up for mina yabo ezingane yomfana to say ingane yomfana wenze kanje yabo ingane yomfana uyikhulisa kanje and on top of that kwayena for ungabi ne-father figure yena kumenze wanga understand i-role yakhe ne-position akumele ayidlale yabo nanokuthi umuntu mengenayo imali ukazitshela ukuthi yabo enye into engizifundise yona lo ukuthi ngingazitshela ukuthi izwi lami imali enginayo yabo because ingane zakho ziyakudinga with or without imali i-role kumele uyidlale with or without imali and abantu abaningi abayinaki lonto leyo yabo so i-father figure is there but uthola ukuthi umuntu akanayo ipower yanele ukuthi adlale indima yakhe ngendlela ekufanele ayidlale ngayo.
But I'd say that only comes to parents, my G. In other aspects of life, if you got no money, my brother, you're almost non-existent.
Yeah, in a way. But kuya nangendlela ozithatha ngayo wena yabo.
Yeah, that counts.
For instance, mina I haven't made enough money or ngeke ngithi imali esengiyenzile like anginayo imali kwamanje yabo but I've changed impilo zabo bonke abantu who are coming after me yabo. There's a reason why you call me mentor and I haven't pulled up in a Mercedes or a BM yabo.
Yeah.
There are people who wait until they have material possessions before their cousins would call them a mentor yabo.
Yeah.
I've challenged the status quo in the entire family structure. Everyone manje uyaziluma ulimi acabange kabili mekhuluma nengane yakhe because they know that you can actually lose your child. Yabo ingane yakho ungayiluza makuthi awuqapheli yabo. I've made sure ukuthi ama siblings wami they have a safe environment kubazali bami because they know ukuthi khona umuntu ozoba question if they do something, if they repeat ama mistakes abawenza kumina yabo. So lezi zinto lezi angizithenganga ngemali emphakathini kunabazali njengamanje abazi ukuthi ingane yakhe yakwazi ukuthi ilandele amaphupho ayo and actually show progress yabo with or without usizo lakho yabo and you only catch up late makuthi ahambiselana nayo. I've made sure ukuthi abantu realize ukuthi awudingi ukuthi because enye yezinto engizenzile ukuthi ngibuyele kulabantu laba i-society ebatshela ukuthi angeke babe yilutho yabo because phela kwenzeka kanjalo esikoleni uthola ukuthi thiwa ke i-top 5 yona ezophumelela nonke ninabanye nizobheda impilo angeke inise ndawo ngoba nihlakaniphile esikoleni yabo. I've came back nga-challenge leyo status quo ngatshela abantu without saying much yabo ngama-actions wami ukuthi ungaqala ngalelo shumi lelo onalo ushone phambili. Bangiqede ukuthi ngibuyele ekhaya ngafuya ingulube. I started grilling pork at the taxi rank yabo. I write that in one of my poems.
Yeah.
And that was how I was able to buy umhlaba. It's a rural land gona, hence it's cheap, but kwakuyihlathi and then ngaqala ngalibhusha from imali engenza ngima ngeprice stand ranking dayise. And wonke umuntu bengibona ukuthi hawu lo mpembi lona fethu ngoba uhlala phila nje uhamba uyofunda nje yini manje nangihamba usebenza nani ngifuna kona kukhulunywe lezo inkulumo lezo, and I want you to see progress, yabo. And zonke lezo zinto lezo noma ngangi-understand ekuqaleni because I just wanted peace mina ngokwami, yabo, thinking I'm gonna get away with being selfish, yabo, ngiziphilele ngedwa, but ubizo lwakho, yabo. So yonke lento leyo bengiyenza because bengifuna ukukhombisa abantu ukuthi ngempela kuyenzeka, yabo. And ave emhlabeni uvela uphosta inethi kanje olwandle and then ubuye nohlobo lofish oluthandabo bonke laba abanye baphindisa. Wonke ufish obuya nenethi ufish and wonke unomsoco, yabo. Into eyenziwe i-system ye-education ukuthi iphosta inethi kanje and then ithatha i-salmon kuphela. Bonke laba abanye ofish otilapia catfish ama-crabs nani engazi ukuthi yonke lento leyo ayikho valuable, but mawuyitholile imarket yakhona, yabo, ngisho athi uyagrindwa yenziwe ifeed yenkukhu, still it's value, yabo. Ungathatha umuntu ngoba engakwazi ukuthola u90% mesuthi angeke aye ndawo empilweni, and I wanted to prove that.
Yeah, chilling with the Zulu man.
Kukhona abantu mfethu abangakwazi ukuthi babe ne-courage, yabo, yokwenza izinto ezithatha isibindi, yabo. It's hard mfethu to go your own way. It's hard, mfana. It's mfana vuyo yakuchutha iqede le nto leyana, yabo, because nayo indlela, and then when uthatha ubhushu uvela ucenta ihlathi ufuna ukwakhe yakho indlela, yabo. Ushiswa ilanga uzokopha uzoba mahliphihliphi uzozona nezinyoka mfethu, yabo. So mawukuthi wena uyayenza le nto leyo and it looks like there's progress, yabo, abantu are drawn to you because bafuna ukuthamela le lambu leli okulona, and in a way ukushayina kwakho kuyabakhanyisa nabo. It gives them that hope ukuthi yazi ngempela izinto zenzeka, bonje wathi ngikhuluma nje about frames of reference, yabo. So lo muntu lo ngenzeka ukuthi excited kanjalo because through you they can say nango sibani bani angifunda nawe uyayenza lento le. So me ukuthi uchazela abanye abantu asaba ama opinions wabo, then in a way sekuzoba ngcono because naku useyenza omunye, yabo. So ngenzeka uthola ukuthi lo muntu lo is drawn to you because ushayina ngendlela abafuna ukushayina ngayo nabo, yabo. And yona into engiyithandayo leyo because nami there are people who shine ngendlela engifuna ukushayina ngayo, yabo. And I want to shine ngendlela yokuthi nginake i-freedom over imali, yabo. Imali ilandele i-freedom.
Imali ilandele freedom.
Yeah.
Do you believe that money is freedom? Freedom is money? Yeah. Money is freedom.
No, angikholeli lo, and I strongly believe umuntu o-associate imali ne-freedom or ne-peace or ne-happiness is in a way lost or confused, yabo, because imali yintsha vuyo, impilo indala, yabo. Uma uthi emhlabeni siphilela imali, before imali ibe khona shuthi kwakuphilelwa ilutho.
Ukuzalana abantu.
Impilo leyo.
Yeah.
Yabo. Kwakuphilelwana kanti mawukuthi uthi siphilela imali or imali ekujabulisa, shuthi ama ancestors wethu okhokho nokhokho mohlehle babengazi bajabule. Babejabuliswa yini ngeke imali. Mawukuthi siphilela imali babephilelani ingeke imali.
Yeah.
Yabo. Imali is how we make it's how we lubricate impilo, yabo. We make impilo run smooth ngayo imali, but it's not the main thing, yabo. It's not the main thing. Yes, yabo. Khona impilo like uShaka Zulu kwengaza uphatha u10,000, yabo.
Yeah.
Angicabanga ukuthi ukayiphatha into eyimali, yabo. But kwenayo yonke le power namanje sisakhuluma ngayo kule podcast, yabo.
Yeah.
So ukuzitshela ukuthi imali, and kulula ukusho kanje uthi hayi ngikhuluma nje because I've never had a lot of it, yabo, but if you are sober minded and ungabelongi kwi-system ngendlela yokucabanga, you will realize ukuthi njengoba ngisho ukuthi imali is how we make things convenient, yabo. Impilo is deeper than imali mfethu. That's why umuntu uthola ukuthi usenayo yonke but they still feel that void enhlizweni yabo, yabo. Kufana imali njengokuthi umulambile uvela udla ibag engaka yama Doritos, cabanga ukuthi uzosutha. Umlomo uzogcwala i-taste kube mnandi kodwa isisu ngesicwala, yabo. Into ebalekile ukuthi isisu sithole ama carbohydrates isicwale nama protein isicwale, zonke izinto ezizona eziyi-main part of i-diet yakho, yabo. So ukuzitshela ukuthi imali i-peace or imali i-happiness ukulahleka lokho, yabo. That's why ngithi mina ngidinga i-freedom over imali. Njengamanje mangisuka la manje ngishona ngalezansi endaweni yami, ngiyalivula lelo gate lelo ngishona, yabo. Ngisho wathiwa ngikhe ikabishi ngiyalipheka nophuthu, at least ngisendaweni la ngeke kube khona umuntu ozothi hey wena enza kanjena isikhathi sokuthi ton i-freedom le, peace, yabo. And then imali mayifika phezu kwalonto leyo ayidingi nani ukuthi izibe iningi, yabo. Isikhathi esiningi imali we use it to compensate for izinto esingenazo. Yini ngi-understanda kanje is because I once had a lot of marks but I didn't have a lot of happiness, while abantu around me thought because I have those marks I'm happy, yabo. Ngayibona into ukuthi ifana ncamashini nemali. If you have a lot of money people think you are happy but the reason why you are not happy is because you have a lot of money, yabo. Yabona into lo. Ngayisikhathi wena uhlala eceleni kwami uthi mfethu ngishayisele umsebenzi le assignment le, yabo. If ngikutshela ukuthi angikwazi or angikho-understand why mina angeke ungikholwe. The same way mohlala eceleni kwami yizwe xa uthi ngiyakuncisha. The same way mohlala eceleni kwami nginemali uthi uboleka u10 rand ngithi anginawo angeke ungikholwe, yabo. Because people always think you have, yabo, even when you don't have. Why? Because inkingi kuwena wena ungayi-understand i-freedom yakho nama-boundaries okumele uwasethe. Awukazi ukufunde lokho before ube nalento le. So sitting back and working on yourself kuwenza ufunde ukuthi ube ne-courage yokwenza zonke lezo zinto lezo, ukwazi ukudweba umuqa, uzifundise, ubazi abantu aba-solid nabangekho solid, abadeservayo nabangadeservi before you have these things, ukuze masunazo kube ukuthi zihlala kwi-foundation e-right, yabo. So imali mfethu can be very confusing because iyenza kubukeke engathi kunokuba kanjalo ngempela.
Give me on top of your head all the books that you can remember that have shaped you. The mindset. I will start with, for you, I will start with Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Yeah, Robert Kiyosaki for sure.
Yeah,
for sure, Godfather.
Yeah.
Yeah, Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad, but most importantly Cash Flow Quadrant. Yaku Rich Dad, yaku Robert Kiyosaki.
Yeah.
Enye ebalekile which is current, Patrick King, Read People Like a Book.
Yeah.
Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. Frederick Douglass, The Narrative of the Life of Frederick Douglass, that's the title. Simon Sinek, Starts With Why. Yeah, Starts With Why. Ngayibole kwa uSlu, shout out to Slu, our cousin.
Yeah.
Yo baningi mfethu and angifuna ukudlula ngaba mentionanga baningi.
He's yet to come here, njalo. He's yet to come
uSlu.
here.
Yeah, a very smart guy. Yo ziningi mfethu.
The man that banned the storm.
Yeah, Mr. Gumede.
Yeah.
What's his name, Gonje? The man who bends in the storm. Shout out to him, Mr. Gumede. Yeah. Yo ziningi mfethu, yeah. Wenqaba publishers. Yo mfethu abona ngaconfuseka ke manje, but ziningi mfethu ngicathi ezinye zizoqhamuka as we go on, yabo. But umuntu engimfundayo kakhulu uCarl Jung, yabo.
Yeah.
That old man mfethu, he literally saved my life because ungi-understandisile ukuthi I'm actually an empath, yabo. Ngisanda kuyithola le terminology le, yabo. An empath is a person who is highly sensitive to yabo, like umuntu odila kakhulu ne-energy, ngiyakwazi ukufila yabo ukuthi uzizwa kanjani, and I'm able to discern ama-feelings wakho, like ngiyakwazi ukuthola ukuthi ukephi, ngiyakwazi ukubona uma ungiqambela amanga, ngiyakwazi ukubona uma upretender, and zonke lezi zinto lezo izona ezingenze ngabaleka kuzona zonke lezi zinto abantu abacabanga ukuthi ngibaleka kuzona, yabo. ngiyakwazi ukuthola mfethu, ngiyakwazi ukusense ingozi, and ngiyakwazi ukucompensate and ukusympathize nama-feelings abanye abantu. Ezinye kwenye into yanginyanyisa mfethu, because there's this module yaka 4th year applied legal studies la wenza khona ama-hours e-law clinic, and we were told ukuthi I'd like to share with you a poem yabo, later on, yabo. Khona ipoem engayibhala ithi Cubicle 14, which was my cubicle space la ngangisebenzela khona, yabo, doing my law clinic work. And we were told ukuthi we shouldn't sympathize with the client, yabo. Ukusho ukuthi nje kumele ube ile robot uthatha ama-facts and then you give back information, but ungathephi into your like little side lokumzwela umuntu, yabo, which is
impossible, I think.
Yeah, impossible, but ku-professional, yabo. And leyo nto engabona ukuthi yazi lento yokuba obsessed nokuthi professional la wenziwe robot, yabo. Fana ukuthi utshelwe ukuthi nje ubudokotela uma ubona igazi unganyanyi, yabo. Should mayiphikisa imvelo yakho, uma ukuthi uyalinyanya iphikise lento leyo, uma ukuthi uyazwelana nomuntu iphikise lento leyo, yabo. And ukuphikisa izinto kanjalo on a daily basis kulibele ukubreak kancane gcine soyileso silwane leso esiphilela ukuthi ngenza imali, anginandaba nendlela engizizwa ngayo, and angiyithandi lonto leyo, yabo, because imphumela iyabonakala mfethu in the long run, ugcina songasenandaba nento ezibalekile nabantu ababalekile, yabo. So I wrote this poem, it's Cubicle 14, yabo, and it explains izathu zami eziningi ezingenza ngingafuni ukusebenza at all, yabo. Kwenye into yangiqhatha kakhulu, at all, like angisoze, yabo, like I'll either succeed or die trying.
You're chilling with the Zulu, man.
Cubicle 14.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I remember the heavy rains of the late spring, when corn would hit the ground alongside the rows of pinto beans. Cow dung hauled in sacks, totally broken down to no smell. With such good fertilizer, we would hope for a good harvest. I ran down the country streams as a youngin'. Beautiful moments, beautiful mountains, beautiful birds chirping, barefooted. On the rich soils of the country, weak thorns wouldn't poke my feet. A cold front and I would resist that fever, boy. I was almost a Neanderthal. Silly me thought school was confinement at the time. Look at me now. Silly me thought house chores was work at the time. Look at me now. It's piles at the office. I'd rather have piles in my orifice. A lion tamed to a cat, all in the name of money. A loin stretched on a mat, busy bee exhausted from getting his honey. But how much do I get to keep? Financing my ego, how much do I get to keep? Making it and losing it. Before I can say I've made it and I'm not losing it. Because if you look me in the eyes, you can tell I'm not making it. I'm losing it. These days I come back so late, all my kids are asleep. These days I go back so early, all my kids are still asleep. These days if I ask for sleep, I might lose my position to someone who doesn't ask for sleep. So these days I'm someone who doesn't ask for sleep. I never knew how scarce would be sleep. If they were selling it, I'd buy me some sleep. Am I lying? Mr. Caffeine infested veins. Mr. Don't talk to me before my morning cup of coffee, or you might get the Superman punch like I'm Roman Reigns. Mr. Grumpy, ain't that right, you addict? Mr. I cannot wait for the weekend so I can drink and forget. And to tell you the truth, I will, because I'm jaded, in pursuit of happiness. I get a car so I can go to work. I go to work so I can keep the car. I leave my house so I can afford to live in my house. I drive to work, but my drive doesn't drive me to work. I'm scared if I die, my obituary is just work. At primary, the hope was life's better. At secondary, the hope was life's better. At high school, the hope was life's better. At varsity, the hope was life's better. At work, the hope is life's better. At retirement, the hope will be life's better for my descendants. And then death. The hope was getting money would eventually numb the pain of never having belonged to myself. From moving in cycles under a parental leash to tucking my tail under my boss's commands lest his rage is unleashed, it hurts my pride. To realize that I might be chasing rainbows like a homophobe, it hurts my pride. To realize that I might be chasing a mirage like a Maskandi show. I'm pouring from a brimmed up cup to a leaking vessel, wondering if I were to quit would pay my black taxes. So to escape these thoughts, I stay smoked up like briskets in Texas. Week after week, I can feel me getting weaker and weaker. And every week I spend trying to heal from those weeks is spent worried about these weeks I'll continue to spend because I'm not trying to look weak. Understand that I can never escape this because my greatest fear is being unable to spend. So I stay at cubicle 14. I wrote this poem when I was doing
internship.
Yeah, it's law clinic bizwa kanjalo.
Yeah.
Where you tackle cases like you deal with real life clients. And ngiyakhumbula kwakusuku lami lokugcina yabo computer ehlezi phambi kwami ngathi mengiyicisha yabo computer moyicisha screen sibamnyama and you see your face yabo. I saw my eyes Vuyo, ngabona amehlo ami, and yonke into engiyizibile ngomqondo wami ngathi mengiyibona emehlweni it's like mangiqhubeka ngiziqambela amanga kanje I'm gonna leave lempilo le engiyichazayo kule poem yabo. And I felt sorry for myself yabo. Ngabona ukuthi no man, awuthi ngizibhalele ngizizwe ukuthi ngicabanga kanjani. And I could foresee i-future la wonke umuntu ecabanga ukuthi ngi-successful because ngizobe ngi-right materialistically speaking yabo. Kodwa ngaphakathi ngizobe ngingazizwa kanjalo. And I've been fighting for ukuzizwa nginjalo ngaphakathi at the compromise of having material possessions yabo. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngifuna ukuqala nge-freedom before ngibe nemali yabo. And right now at this point yabo, I think it says a lot ukuthi ngikwazi baphambi kwabantu kanje, ngikwazi ukuvuma la engikhona, ngikwazi ukuvuma la engingekho khona yabo. Because I never had this confidence. Umncedisi omdala was going to worry about how people are going to judge me. But at this point of view, you cannot break me psychologically. Because yini enye ongayisho, yini enye ongayenza kumina mfethu. I've seen the worst.
I'm gonna say, you used to record poetry, you used to record rap.
Yeah.
But you're saying the older you wouldn't have done that.
Yeah.
What do you mean? Because you've done that.
Yeah, I've done that, but bengeke ngisho into like ngalesa sikhathi bengingayibhala into obongayizwa wena and say right yabo.
Yeah.
But bengeke ngiyibhale ongayizwa ungayi-approve kodwa ngoba mina ngiyayi-approve ngithi akunankinga yabo. Manje manje I'm like an artist ongabhala something whether iyadlala eredweni noma idlali, the fact ukuthi ngiyishilo is enough for me. I'm not looking for ukushayelwa izandla, I'm not yabo into kanjalo yabo. Iskill singaba khona but besibelonga kubantu yabo. Njengokuthi nje like bengeke ngasasikhathi yabo, ngasasikhathi benginendaba nembono yabantu Vuyo, kuba kanjalo uma ukhula uyingane yethu sonke emphakathini kini ntontontoni yabona abantu abakanjalo Vuyo mfethu. It's a trap abantu abaningi abaphila kuyona yabo, philela abantu kunzima ukuhlehla lapho. So ekuqaleni bengingayenza into kanjalo, kushawa izandla like esikoleni bengingadebate ngisho iPitch, but bengengime phambi kwabantu ngibatshela indlela engicabanga ngayo engazi ukuthi bazoyiphikisa but ngazi ukuthi kumele bayizwe yabo. Khona uline oshiwo uBlack, abanye abantu bathi u6 leg but ukachaza ukuthi u6 is actually read as a B yabo. Uthi I give a piece of me to everybody I meet, not because they want it but because it's probably a need. They claim they are woke, but they are probably asleep in a cage, thinking if they make $1 million, they will be rich like me. I turned a nightmare into a dream. And do nothing ends out there.